that all disbursements will be made by the 15th of every month. I want to undertake on behalf of Treasury that we will keep our part of that bargain, make sure that resources are disbursed by the 15th of every month. There will be sufficient money in the centralized account so that every county can draw from that central account, and the national government will make sure that every 15th there is adequate resources disbursed to that account so that counties can execute their mandate.
We are saying let's introduce a new card called Linda Mama card. It's an insurance package we are proposing so that these deaths, because if the woman delivers today, we have spent 4.2 billion all of us here. She goes home, falls sick, or the baby is sick, comes back, she has no money, we charge her, the baby dies anyway. We have not met our policy objective. We are saying let's expand the package. The delivery is as good as the pregnancy. Take her during pregnancy, deliver safely, then 6 months down the line, they are covered at the moment of highest risk, which basically the first 6 months that the baby is born when the mother also delivers. So we are saying looking at a 1 year package for the mother and the baby. That's why I say Linda Mama.